Welcome back to the vlog. We're going.
So excited.
We're in a plane going to Catalina. My dad's flying up there. I just flipped it upside down. But yeah, we're in a plane about to get going. So we'll see ya. We did it!
Engine clear.
Oh,
Alright.
whoa. I probably look crazy. Yeah. Right now, if you're confused where we are, we're in Catalina.
We're doing a reverse
we're in
vlog.
Catalina Island. I can't zoom in, whatever. We're in Catalina Island. And we just flew here because my dad has a pilot's license. As you probably know, he's a pilot. So we flew here, and I'm with Nicolette. Hey guys. And I'll put like all her socials. And yeah, we're just gonna come here. We're eating and exploring the airport in the sky because that's literally where we are. If you can see that, I definitely didn't film it, but yeah. Okay, hey guys, we're down and we're eating at the like little restaurant here. It's like one little restaurant, and I like try to film the inside. So I got the buffalo tacos and you got buffalo burger, and we're gonna see if it's real buffalo. I think it will be because there's like buffalo that like roam the island, so
probably.
So I'm so excited. I've never had it before. I don't think we either of us have.
I've never tried buffalo.
So yeah, I'll film that and I'll let you know how it is. So yeah. Here's the yeah, just grab the whole floor. Okay. Do you grab the whole thing? I think that should be it. Is that? Yeah, you do it. Yeah.
I'll bring the whole thing. Got it.
There's
Thank you.
tacos.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Okay, before you take a bite, Nicola, we gotta do our taste test. Buffalo
looks the same as a regular burger.
I
Looks
don't
the same as a
know.
regular
I'm not
spaghetti.
sure. I think maybe it is different.
This is like, I don't know if it's real buffalo. Rob says it is.
I think
but
it is.
It's so good. Like I tried her burger and she tried my tacos. It's so good.
So
like
good.
this is like one of the best places I've ever eaten at. Ever. I'm not even joking. Like I
so
can't
good.
even lie. It's so good. I'm in trouble.
Maybe a little.
Here's ketchup. You want to put it on there?
Okay, so we just went inside and we asked what my dad asked. And it is real buffalo. So I was eating real buffalo tacos and she was eating a real buffalo burger. And it was really good. No wonder it was so juicy.
Yeah, it was
I was
really
like 50-50 about it, and I think she was too.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's real and it was really good.
It was really good.
So yeah. And we got our little bisons
For the
and-
memories.
For the memories. So we're gonna name them. We have to think of that. But yeah, they're really cute and they're matching. Of course. So cute.
Cute.
We're in the plane, we're flying back. Hopefully you can hear me. But I just, like, me and my dad, I was in the front seat and my dad was flying. So yeah, I just missed out. I'll put a pin of that. finished. We're riding back home now because I have to actually go to cheer. So we just got done flying. We're going back now. And yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Let me know if you want to see like more stuff. Subscribe down below, like, hit the notifications,
All that good
follow the
stuff.
socials, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.